up friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a cute Kirby for beginners. So first we're going to get started with the eyes on a diagonal, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval on the left hand side. We're going to leave a gap now coming over on the right, and we're just going to replicate that. Now as we move down underneath, we're going to curve this line around and up on the side. Now let's come up and draw in a highlight. So in the top left corner, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then coming down to the right of that, we're going to draw in a small circle. Let's draw in the mouth directly in the center, drawing in a small curved line. And then we're going to arch this down from corner to corner. And then we're going to arch this back across. Beside that now, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. Now let's come down on a diagonal and we're going to draw in the left foot. So we're going to curve this around and then in. And then from the top, we're going to curve this back around and up on the bottom. On the right hand side now for our right arm, let's arch this around and down. And now let's draw in the circle for the body. So coming up, we're going to arch this over and through. And then continuing the circle, we're going to bring this around and back down on the left. Now for our left arm, we're going to bring this around and in. And then continuing the bottom of the body from that corner, we're going to arch this around and up. Now for the right foot, we're going to bring this line down and through. And now we're just going to add in a small little star to the right. So we're going to curve this line up. For the side, we're going to bring this line out and then in on both sides. And then again on a diagonal, bringing this out and up towards the center. And now let's move up on a diagonal, drawing in a heart on the left. So we're going to curve this around and then in at a point. And then we'll do the same as we come over on the left. And that is it. That's how you draw a cute Kirby. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.